All right, welcome back, everybody. This is a time of year where we can get some pretty big swings here in Montana. I know you could apply that to pretty much any time of year, but the end of March, the beginning of April, we can have some really warm days, and then we can have some return of winter-like days, and that's exactly what we're going to be looking at. A very wintry scene here, St. Mary's Visitor Center, looking back towards the mountains here. Snow being blown around, snow falling up in the mountains. You get east of the divide, though, and look at the vast clear skies that we have around Lewistown. A pretty day, should be a pretty night. Great Falls also looking at clear conditions for the time being. 44 degrees. Feels more like 35 when you factor in that wind out of the southwest that's gusting up to 35 miles per hour, and a blustery day around Helena as well, with gusts up to 26, making it feel more like 34 outside right now. A little cooler the farther west you go, a little warmer out there around Jordan with a temperature of 53 degrees. A few snow showers around the Missoula area. If anybody is traveling that way, just be careful. Could be a little slick over places like Interstate 90, and then also heading up the Sealy Swan, where a little snow shower activity continues to move through that area. Quiet weather for most of the country, and again, with everything that's going on, we don't really need severe weather, so we enjoy this calm while we have it, because the weather will get a little more active as we get into next week. So for tomorrow, similar conditions to today. I think we'll have a little more in the way of some cloud cover. There will be some mountain snow showers west of the divide, but a lot of north central and eastern Montana looking at sunshine, slightly warmer temperatures, and also a lot of wind out there as well. Heading into Saturday, note a little of that snow in the western mountains here, maybe a little more in the way of some cloud cover coming down off of the continental divide. Eastern Montana looking mainly sunny, and then heading into Sunday, a cold front will likely come through in the afternoon and the evening hours, kicking off a few isolated showers near Helena, maybe up to Great Falls, Lewistown, and Havre. Could see an isolated shower later on Sunday. Then we'll have more of an unsettled day here on Monday with showers, but watch how the precipitation goes over to more in the way of snow for Tuesday, Wednesday, and possibly even Thursday here. So snowfall accumulations, not much, a little bit Friday night into Saturday morning again. Bob Marshall Wilderness up there around Glacier National Park, but it's mainly in the mountains, the snow that is, until we get into Tuesday and Wednesday, and that's when there could be some accumulation here in the lower elevations. Take this map with a grain of salt. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, we'll likely have 3 days of some colder weather with the possibility of snow in the lower elevations. Forecast for tonight, 20s for most locations, and skies mainly clear out there, especially early on here. A little brisk with that wind continuing. And here's the forecast for tomorrow. It's Friday tomorrow. 40s to about 50. Still a few degrees below average here. Still have windy conditions for a lot of the state. So take these numbers, subtract about 5 to 10 degrees. That's how it will feel outside. You'll probably need to bundle up tomorrow as well. For Saturday, looking at temperatures in the 40s and the 50s. A little warmer, still dealing with the wind. A few snow showers into the higher terrain of western Montana. Sunday, here comes, it's not a very strong front. It's a weak front, but it may be enough to kick off a few showers around Helena, Great Falls again, maybe as far east as Lewistown and Havre by the time we get into late Sunday evening. And then Monday, mixed rain and snow showers, still on the mild side. It's after Monday that the temperatures start to cool down. Looks like the front will go through Helena sometime on Tuesday. Look at that colder air. Highs maybe only in the 20s Wednesday and Thursday. And for Great Falls, a windy period here. Temperatures warming up into the 50s to around 60 degrees, but watching the potential for snow and unusual cold for this time of year, the beginning of April, with highs maybe only in the teens and 20s.
Curtis, thank you so much. Springtime in Montana.